Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Olivetti Lettera 32 in for service, and repaired the ribbon, reverse, and drive mechanism, and some other basic service. But when it was dropped off, I noticed right away that the grommets, little rubber grommets that go right here, and all four mounting points were just gone. They were just deteriorated so bad that they just crumbled. So I told them I would fix that, replace these, and so I got those all off, and I made some little so they got this little piece, and there was a rubber grommet that was custom fit for it, and that would go on this little stud that would go in the bottom of this and stick through. End up making these little replacement pieces right here out of a grommet. So that's already cut. I made them out of this piece right there, and I'm going to show the process for this one right here on camera. So I only have one left to do. What I ended up having to do was cutting this down. I had to cut half the edge off here, so I cut it down like this. I got a sharp razor blade and cut it off like that. So this just got that piece, but that was too much material still to fit through the little gap there, so I had to trim this piece up a little bit. And I did use a razor blade initially, but then I found the Dremel tool worked a little better, so I sat here and trimmed this up like this. Just took a little bit off so it would fit inside of that piece. So I won't do it all, but that's the process I ended up using for this. It didn't take too long to do this. Probably took longer trying to find the right size first. So I did that to all four pieces, and stuck the grommet in here like that, and then that goes on the underside, and then the piece that's left over, this little piece here, I got four pieces, and those will go on the top when I put the screw back in there. So then that goes like that, and then the screw goes through the top like this, and that'll be that. So put that up here, like that, run the screw through, and that's how that's going to work now. So that's four pieces there. Did those four. Pretty much right after I took the lid off this thing, I had to take the bottom plate off here. These have that big panel on the bottom. Find it here. So it's got this big panel on the bottom. Goes in here like this and pivots on the bottom like this. These grommets too were completely, they just shattered as soon as I touched them with a screwdriver to pry them off. So I've replaced those with new grommets that are just about the right size. So that has new rubber, nice and fresh. So then that led to another problem. All these feet right here that mount right here and right here just shattered. They're in this bag right here. They just shattered. As soon as I set the machine down, they cracked in half and broke off. So I've already replaced these two down here with some rubber pieces I found in my rubber drawer. Happened to fit just about right. So they had a slot in them already, and I put some glue in there, and these are going to get glued on right here. They fit right on there, so those just squeeze on like that, and then this one here will squeeze on just like that. Okay, so I got the 4 feet, I got the 2 grommets, I got the 4 mounting case points, and then I noticed the spacebar grommet or bumpers were bad right here in the spacebar. This side just was missing pretty much, and this side is brittle. Watch this, it just breaks off. Look at that, just chipped right off. So that's got to be dealt with too. Let me get the other piece out of there. There it is. So these are just completely hard as a rock. Oops, just breaks right in half. So I also found some these little guys are from Adler typewriters from way back in the day, and I was able to fit those on here. Or I did the one side there pretty quick. Let's see if I can get this side on here real quick. Okay, that fit pretty good. Just slide that on. So this typewriter I think was stored here in Arizona and just got the rubber on it just deteriorated so quickly. Well, compared to other parts of the country, let's say. Okay, so those are back on, so now that's going to be working right. So we got a proper space action there. Okay, so that's about it for all the rubber grommets on this thing, or the rubber pieces. So here's the lid. When the lid goes on, or the top case goes on, I can stick this back together like this. And the only way I could figure out how to get these grommets in place was to build a little tool, make a tool. So I made this tool right here that holds the grommet like this, so I can stick it underneath here and get to it. So I can stick this, I can raise this up just a bit. I can do this on all 4 corners and drop it back down, pull the tool out, put the little piece on top like that, and put the screw right through there. It's a little tricky getting the screw started because the nut on the bottom side is in like a flexible bracket. It's kind of strange, but you just got to give it a few attempts and you'll find it'll line up and tighten down. And that's how I got 4 corners all done. Of course, I'll finish this up off camera. Get this lined up here. There we go, like that. And that's it for the rubber replacement pieces, rubber grommets, rubber parts on this Lettera 32. It needed everything. The feet, the bottom pan brackets, all 4 corners here, and the spacebar bumper were all bad. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.